Hello, my dear students. How are you? I believe you must be taking good care of yourself by staying at home only. As you know, we are studying chapter Magnets of Physics. In the last video lecture, you learnt about the properties of a bar magnet, Earth as a magnet, and I also explained you about making a magnet. The Tata Edge video regarding the topics must have been informative to you. Dear students, the topics for today's are finding direction, additional interesting facts about magnets. After the completion of the topic, dear students, you will be able to state that magnetic compass is based on directive property and you will be able to suggest the preventive measures taken while handling magnets. Finding direction. The directive property of the bar magnets has proved useful for mankind over the ages. The practical device based on the directive property is magnetic compass. The compass consists of a magnetic needle pivoted at its center, and this needle is fitted in a horizontal box having a glass cover. The compass has a dial with directions marked on it. Dear students, the magnetic compass always points along north-south direction. The first compass was invented by Chinese in the 12th century and the compass is used for navigation on ships. Magnetic compass always points along north and south direction. The end of the magnet which points north is called the north pole and the end which points the south is called the south pole. This is magnetic compass. Activity 7, to make a simple compass. Dear students, now you can make a simple compass at your home. For this you require a ball of water, a magnetic needle and a plastic lid. Put the lid in the water and let it come to rest. Gently place a magnetic needle on the lid. What you will observe? You will observe that the magnetic needle comes along the north-south direction. In case if you rotate the lid, what happens? You will again notice that the needle will come again to the same direction, that is north-south direction. So this is how you can easily make the magnetic compass. The needle always comes to rest in a particular direction and that is north-south direction.
Magnetic compass, it is used to find the direction. It contains magnetic needle pivoted at center. Magnetic compass always points along north-south direction. This is magnetic compass. It always points along north-south direction.
Dear students, now you can easily state that magnetic compass is based on directive property. That is, magnetic compass always points along north-south direction. Additional interesting facts about magnets. Dear students, magnets tend to lose their magnetic properties when heated or mishandled or they are dropped or hammered. If magnets are not stored properly, their strength keeps on decreasing with time. So there are special arrangements to store different types of magnets. For example, magnetic keepers. In magnetic keepers, the bar magnets are kept in pairs with their unlike poles on the same side and separated by a piece of wood. At the ends, two pieces of soft iron are placed, and we call these pieces as magnetic keepers. Magnetic keepers. It is the special way of storing the magnets. In this, the bar magnets are kept in pairs with their unlike poles on the same side and separated by a piece of wood. At the end, two pieces of soft iron are placed.
Magnetic keeper, it is an arrangement for storing the magnets. There are two bar magnets placed in pairs with their unlike poles on the same side. This is north pole and this is south pole. So unlike poles on the same side, same is the case, north and south, and they are separated by a piece of wood. This is the piece of wood. and at the ends soft iron is placed. This is soft iron. 2 pieces of soft iron are placed at the end. So this arrangement is called magnetic keeper.
Magnets are capable of erasing the stored memory or information from the tapes. Hence, they should not be placed near a computer, cell phone, DVD or floppy disk or an audio cassette. Dear students, now you can easily suggest the preventive measures taken while handling magnets. As I told you, magnets lose their magnetic properties when they are heated or mishandled. So, they must be kept in magnetic keepers. Also, magnets are capable of erasing the memory of tapes, so they should not be placed near any computer or cell phone or DVD player. Dear students, now this was the last topic of the chapter magnets. After this topic, additional interesting facts about magnets. The keywords are given. You have to learn these keywords. And after these keywords, there is a topic named you must know. So dear students, please read this topic and then try to do part A, B and C of your textbook. Thank you and have a nice day, dear students.